I want to show you on the CASIO how to set it up to get two different types of answers. One exact, one approximate. So let's say we're doing this problem here. Square root of 200 over 20. We want to find our answer. On the CASIO, if you are in, let's do this real quick. If you go in to setup, so shift, and then I'm hitting this button here. The input output is where we want to go. So I'm typing a 1. And if we do math, option number 1, which is math input, math output, and I type that problem, so I'm going to hit the fraction key first, square root of 200 over 20 equals, and it gives me square root of 2 over 2, an exact answer. That's fully reduced. Let's say, though, that I'm doing some physics or engineering and I don't want these math answers, these exact answers. If I want approximate answers, decimal answers, I go shift into setup, I go back into my input output. This time I'm going to pick option 2, which is math input but decimal output. The math input just means it's the pretty, looks like textbook input. Like the fractions show up the way you would want them to. So I hit the fraction key, square root of 200 over 20, and hit equal, and now I get the decimal equivalent without having to do anything, not having to hit any extra keys. If you're in the exact mode and you do want the approximate, you can hit this S to D button. I don't know what it does. Okay, actually it works even here. I can switch it back and forth, which is pretty slick. But again, when you're doing engineering or physics, you don't want to, you typically want approximate answers. At least engineers do. Maybe I shouldn't speak for physicists. Later, folks.